Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make my CacCiatore boneless chicken thigh. So this is all the ingredients. I have the chicken thigh over there. I have flour. This is like rice flour. Heavy cream, diced tomatoes, parmesan, and butter. And I have olives, red wine, um, Italian seasoning, paprika, cumin, um, of course, onions and garlic, and I have black peppers in the back, and also dried parsley. Okay, let's get started. Alright, to put salt, a little salt, just a little, and also black pepper. Mix it. And then we put that here. But first we need to brown the chicken, and then we put spice on it. Okay, now let's brown the chicken. I need more. Let's flip this over. let's remove the chicken here from here. Now let's remove the excess oil there. Okay, that should be enough, and we'll add butter there. Now let's add butter, just 1 tablespoon. And we'll add the garlic. Let the garlic light brown. Now let's add the onion, and let the onion brown also. I mean light brown. Now let's add the peppers. And wine. Okay, and tomato, diced tomato. And we'll add the cream. This is not the whole package, just half of it. Like not even half. Like maybe 1/2 cup. Then we'll add all the spice. Just simmer it like 2 minutes, and we'll add the chicken. Before you add the chicken, adjust your sodium. It is enough for you already. Okay, now let's add all the chicken back there in the pan. And then we'll simmer this like 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. The chicken is not completely cooked. I just browned it, so that looks good. So this is my version of Italian CacCiatore. Italian today. Actually, this is for dinner. A quick dinner. Alright, let's simmer that for 8 minutes, 8 to 10. On a medium heat. Alright, you can garnish that with the chicken and parmesan and parsley. And that's ready to serve. Okay, everyone, here's the finish of my chicken CacCiatore. I hope you guys like it. It's very good. Really good. Anyway, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video, or you can share my videos to your friends and your family. Okay, advance Happy New Year, everyone. God bless and take care. Okay, see you next time. See ya.